Are you confused by all those Forex currency symbols and pairs? Well, in this video, I will break down major, minor, and exotic currency pairs so you can finally start trading with confidence and start making money. But alright, so now let's take a look at something that every Forex trader needs to understand, and that is currency pairs. And first of all, currencies are always quoted in pairs. For example, Euro US dollar is equal to 1.25. The first currency here is called the base currency. So in this case, Euro is the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. So we have base and quote currency. And the easiest way to think about this, at least in my opinion, is that you should think about, for example, Euro US dollar as Euro measured in US dollar. So how much is 1 euro worth measured in US dollar? And if it's 1.25, it means that 1 euro is equal to 1.25 US dollar. But if we, for example, have euro as the base, and let's say we have Japanese yen, which is JPY, this means euro measured in Japanese yen. So always have this thinking pattern in mind. At least this is how I think about it, and I think that's an easy way to think about it. And here we usually divide the currency pairs into different categories. First of all, we have the major pairs, and this is the larger pairs, such as what we talked about, Euro US dollar, but also US dollar, Japanese yen, and the pound measured in US dollar. Next, we also have something called exotic pairs, and this is basically major currencies paired with currencies from emerging markets. Emerging markets are basically markets that are, growing, and they are pretty big, but they are not really at the same level as the US dollar. So here are some examples: USDTRY and Euro THB. What is important is that these exotic pairs tend to have a little bit higher cost, and they also have more volatility. And volatility is a concept you really need to dive deeper into. And fortunately, I do have a video about volatility, and I will make sure to link that video up in the video card and the description. We also have minor pairs here. And these are basically major currencies that are excluding the US dollar. So for example, Euro, Pound, and Pound, Japanese yen. So this video was actually just a very short clip from our full Forex trading guide right here on YouTube. To watch it, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very, very soon.